Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to remove or disassemble the headlight casing from a headlight to replace the new headlight case. In the front, the lens. This one is a BMW headlight and it's yellow, weather right damage. It has water inside, the moisture inside, so it damaged internally and outside as well. And we are doing that in order to change it to the new clear lens. That is the next step. This video is to show how actually to remove the front lens out of the case. We already removed the top LED running light, day running light on the top, which actually is here. You can see this part, the one that stay over here, okay. And also it has the LED day running light here. The module stay over here. So what you need to do is you need to prepare a bunch of tools that to work on this section. So here's are the tools that we use to do the job. You need this thing to detach the lens out of the case, and you need a lot of patience. I would recommend that. Don't rush in any small detail section because you don't want to damage anything of this thing. So these things stay on the top by some factory rubber glue along the back end. So we use the heat gun. It's very important that you have a heat gun, something like this, to work on, and you slowly heat up the section and you peel the rubber behind the top LED first, and then gently pull out this LED first, and after that you try to clear all the rubber that stick the part on the lens, and using a plier to pull the top section out. Okay, so you pull it out and it will come out gently with it. Okay, be gentle with it. And after that you start doing the headlight assembly process. So using all of those two we have here, and with the heat gun slowly doing along the line. So you heat it up about this length, okay, in each section about this length is normally recommend. And after that, using the screwdriver, the flat one here, slide in and try to jiggle it, and you lose the rubber. Here actually they use a very special anti-heat and anti-weather glue, so it actually is not melting with the heat. It just resists with the heat, so you have to lose it and try to use the knife to cut off the rubber, and try to use the plier to pull out the rubber, and then you lose the edge. Each section slowly, okay, work around it, and you try not damage the outer plastic as much as you can, okay, because you still need to put it back together and make it looks good. So be gentle and slowly and patiently going along the edge, and after you already go enough length, you actually can peel this one upward a little bit, detach it a little bit out of the part, and then you start sliding the thing inside. Okay, the screwdriver, the flat one, slide in and it will stay and trying to help you to detach the part easier when you heat up. So just keep going, sliding this thing in, sliding like step by step, and go around and until you actually detach the whole thing out. And actually after about half an hour or 40 minutes, you can get this whole damaged lens out and waiting for the process, the next step. But the next step you need to do is you need to clean all the old rubber and sealant as much as you can before you apply the new sealant and put the new lens on. So hopefully it will have someone we will have someone doing the same thing to get this one done properly and don't damage anything from the headlight. So yep, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.